Alright, you ready to go mow the lawn?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, yep. You can unscrew that because we gotta fill it with gas.
Here.
There, I'll give it.
I can.
Yeah, not that one though, because that's mix.
Mix.
Yeah, we can't use mix. Here, let's get this one. We need the big one. Big one.
This is heavy.
That's heavy, huh? Daddy can do it. Daddy to fill it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's pop this cap off. Can you hold on to this for a second?
Yeah.
Alright.
Then we're all done.
Then we're all done. You got that cap?
Yeah.
Yep, just ready? You got it. Yep, you can screw that on if you want. Yep, the other way. There you go. There you go. Keep going. It's tightening. Good job. You got her tightened right up. Gotta check the oil. Do you know where the oil is? Oil's back here.
Oil back here.
See that yellow cap?
Right here.
Yep. So let's just check that. Daddy just filled that, so I think we got plenty of oil in here. Whoa, careful, it's all dirty. Wipe off the excess oil, and then you dip it back in here. And there you go. See, here's full, and it's down to here, so we're in good. We're a little low, but we're okay.
Oh.
Okay, so we don't really need to add any right now. That's how it starts, remember?
Yeah.
Watch. So brake's gotta be on. You wanna get up here?
No.
You sure?
No.
Alright, then we're just gonna pull the choke up. Brake down like this. There you go. Oh. There you go, Hannah. There you go. Good job, dude. There you go. Good job. that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's how we raise and lower the mower deck.
Yeah.
So look at, you put your foot up on it, and then watch the mower deck.
That's how you lower it.
Yeah, that's how you raise and lower it. See how it goes up and down?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, you can close them.
We forgot.
You forgot to, huh? You like them closed like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Hi, honey. Alright, you gonna show Mommy how you drove it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a nice hat, dude. Alright, Daddy, I'll fire it up for you and then you can drive it. Whoa! Watch out for the... Here, let's go backwards. Remember how to go backwards? There you go. There you go. Now push this forward, you remember? Push them both forward. Push your other one forward. There you go. And he likes it, huh? Is that funny, man? Whoa! Remember, push this one now. So it can go this way. Ready? There you go.